it's like getting into your Mercedes-Benz EQS. So you unlock it, door handle presents itself to you there. Pull that right on open. In you go, and you're instantly met with what is called the Hyper screen. So it's hyper because it goes all the way across the entire dash, side to side. There are actually 3 individual screens here. Yeah, it's a lot of screen. Once inside, you got your nifty start stop button right here in the center. This right here, really awesome wood paneling cover on your center console. You have cup holders here, pop out, press them. Wireless phone charger, way back in there. USB-C ports here. Another giant storage compartment right in there. And then, even down below, you have even more storage. No transmission panel down here, so Mercedes just loads you up with storage. The seats in the EQS are, well, maximum luxury, just to the max. You even have a nice little padded headrest up here so you can rest your head on it and or have it slammed back into it when you go 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. EQS by rating.